Welcome back to Quick Tips. We have a fast trick that you can use to see if QuickJack will fit under your car. Check it out. I'm Max, and this is my credit card with an outstanding balance. Anyway, if I'm you and I want to know if QuickJack is going to fit under my car, it helps to know that every credit card is 3.37 inches long. That's just over the height of a collapsed BL5000 SLX. The BL7000 SLX is just a pinch taller. So, what you can do is place the card under your car lengthwise or hot dog style. And if there's a little room on top, QuickJack should slide under easily. Of course, be sure to measure your wheelbase to confirm QuickJack will fit lengthwise too. For a full measuring guide, visit quickjack.com and we'll link to that down below. Lastly, a bit of news for you guys. We know you've been patiently waiting and we're happy to announce that the frame extension kits are now in stock. So go ahead and check those out. We've got a link down below for those. With all of this in mind, leave us a comment to tell us if this credit card trick works for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.